Hi teacher, good evening. Today I present to my Vivencia project number 3. It's order and pay in a cafe. Hello everyone, I'm Piero. Today I will show you how I order and pay in a cafe. Hi, good afternoon. I would like a tea and egg sandwich, please. I usually drink tea and eat my egg sandwich in the morning, and I sometimes eat meat pizza in the afternoon. Can I have the bill, please? Here you are. Thank you. In the tea, it's the 55 pounds. In egg sandwich, 3 pounds. And the meat pizza, 4.25 pounds. In total is 8.34 pounds. Well, that's how I order and pay in a cafe. Thank you for paying attention with my Vivencia project. See you soon.